The real issue with this is the amount of people were saying that slapping is fine. That was definitely concerning for me, and I couldn't believe it. And that's what shocked me. And I think that is a slippery slope.
If you were like me watching the Man United Everton match last night, well, midfielder Idrissa Gueye sparked this huge discourse because he slapped not a United player who could probably have done with it the way they were playing last night, but one of his teammates, Michael Keane. He got sent off, and then there was a huge discussion around whether the punishment was too hard. David Moyes said he likes to see his players fighting, and that behaviour was part of the game.
Assault is assault. It doesn't matter what colour the jersey. It's still someone hitting someone in the face at the end of the day. And there are people saying, oh, it wasn't a punch, it was only a slap. And the downside is a lot of young eyes are watching that match. It's a big match. And if we did say it was okay, it opens up Pandora's box as well. A push is okay. A slap is grand. A punch is the problem. And I think those lines get blurred fairly quickly. And then that kind of transpires into home, and it transpires into school or wherever else it might do. That's the problem we open up, and I can't believe so many of them. I was quite shocked, to be fair, that so many people were saying a red card was harsh, because I don't believe it's harsh at all. I think it's the only proper hitting is wrong. The argy-bargy that you get on a pitch is normal. You get it all the time. It's the norm, but there has to be a clear line in the sand.